Want to track all your vendor payments in one place? Let's try to set up in under 30 seconds. So first, I'll have the date, then I'll have who's going to be the vendor, then I'll have the amount. Next is going to be the status. So I'll just try to completely highlight this. So below this one, I can just try to add some entries. So let's say 20th August 2025. So the vendor is going to be like ABC Enterprise, and the amount is going to be, let's say, $2,100. And what is going to be status? So for the status, we'll just try to have a drop down. So I'll try to go and insert a drop down over here. So here I'll say whether the status is going to be pending or whether it's paid. So here we'll just try to have these two drop downs. So I'll give done. So now I'll just try to completely flash fill this one. So here, let's say this is going to be in a pending status. So I can just try to have the status over here. So if I try to go and have another entry, so I'll say 24th August 2025. So it's going to be like CAD supplies, and the amount is going to be $3,400. And here I can have this as paid. So I'll convert this into US dollars. So now what I'll do is, in case if I have paid that particular status, what I'll do is I'll just try to highlight that in green color. So to do that one, I'll just try to completely select this one over here. So here I'll go to insert and then I'll do a conditional formatting. So here I'll say the custom formula. So here what I'll do is I'll check whether is equal to whether the particular cell, that is this E23. So I'll say whether the E23 cell is going to be equal to paid. So if it is going to be equal to paid, I can just try to highlight that in green color. So I'll say in green color. So I'll just try to have this in a darker green color over here. So and I'll give done. So now you can see over here. So for whichever thing it's going to be paid, automatically it will highlight in green color. So if I try to go and change this to paid, so automatically the vendor name will highlight that in green color. So with the help of this conditional formatting, we'll be easily able to track whether that particular amount is paid or not, and the vendor management will become easier. So if you wish to use the bookkeeping template, I have given the link in the first comment. Please do check it out, and also subscribe for more spreadsheet hacks.